this is a quick review of some of the challenges I have with syncing grades from Cengage to my LMS, which is Canvas for this video. So the issue that I'm having is the students submit the coursework, and when they come to the gradebook in the LMS, such as this in Canvas, they're not able to see their grades. So for example, in this course, they were not able to see the grade for chapter 1, where is chapter 1? Yeah. Quick check. Where is it? Okay. So these are the 3 grades that they were not able to see. Now, this course that I have has 3 books attached to it. So if the course has multiple books attached to one course, then you have to make sure if these assignments are actually published in your assignments. So let's take a look at that. So first thing I have to check is the menu on my Canvas. I will go to Canvas and the assignments, and I have to make sure that the course that I'm trying to get a grade on by the students is published here. So when you do a check mark, that shows that it's published, and when you don't publish it, do not have a green check sign here, it is not going to show up on the gradebook. So it is important that you come to your assignments under the main menu in your Canvas, click on assignments, make sure you go through all the coursework here and have them published here so that they can show up on your gradebook. Another issue you can have here is that you can probably have multiple same courses published here. So if you have multiple courses by the same name, like remember I said the problem I was having was with the quick check, test yourself, and apply yourself. You can see how I have unpublished it. And I also have it here, same courses, but these are published. So if I have multiple courses like that, I literally have to go to the gradebook and delete them from the gradebook. Even though I do it here, let's see if I can. I can delete it here too. So I should be able to delete them here so that they do not show twice on your gradebook and have a confusion of having multiple appearances in the gradebook and having a confusion. Okay, so I deleted it from there. And if either you delete it here or either you go through the gradebook and delete it, and let me show you that. You can also delete the course here. Let's say if this is a dual course, same grade, same course, printed or posted twice here, one showing the grade, the other one not showing the grade. You will delete the course that is not showing the grade because it's probably auto synced. Even if it is not showing, even if you delete all of them here, doesn't matter. You can also re-upload that particular coursework by going to your Canvas and finding that course again by locating the Cengage. So you deleted the quick checks, right? Let's say you deleted all of them. Now you're going to go back to the coursework and find that quick check again. Let's say there it is, and re-upload it. Okay, so you can re-upload it, but the problem is, the confusion is it might already been graded. Okay, so you don't want to remove, if you re-upload and redo it, I think you can, okay, so I guess you can do that because remember, you can make any changes here. It's not making any changes in the Mindtap. Mindtap is what speaks to your Cengage. Cengage is not connected to, doesn't make any changes to Mindtap, but Mindtap, okay, what am I saying? So this Canvas, anything on the Canvas does not make any change on the Cengage Mindtap. But when you make a change on Cengage Mindtap, it can be synced to the canvas. Hopefully that makes sense to me, because most of this I'm doing is to trying to help myself and remember it for future. So you can select this here, add it to the gradebook, and it will take you back and add it to your coursework under your assignments. And once you click it on your assignments, you can see it here. And when you want to bring it to modules, you can go to your modules and add it from your Cengage. So this is where you add it from Cengage, because now you have it within the course. So a lot of confusion here, I can understand. If you have multiple courses here, you can also do the same. The one that does not show a grade, you can right click on it, or just click on it, go to edit assignment, and you can delete the course from here. Okay, so I'm not deleting this course because this is the one that I just fixed by syncing it in the Mindtap. So how do I sync it in the Mindtap? I'll go back to the gradebook and I will go to my modules, right? And I will find that particular assignment. Remember, what I'm trying to do now is to sync that coursework into my canvas. I need to update the gradebook, right? Oh, where is it, please? Oh, so annoying. For some reason it disappeared. Where is it? Oh, Lord. So once I have once I find the coursework, it's right here. So I will click into it, because now I am going to the Mindtap in order to sync the grade for the quick check into Canvas. So I will follow my canvas into Mindtap. And now once I come here, I can go to Gradebook Actions on the top, Force LMS, and then I will select the course that I want to sync the grade, which is the quick check. I will select that and sync. It will be done in just a few minutes, but if you have to do the full grade, then you can select the full grade and sync it, and that full grade should be done in the very beginning of your course setup. So individually you can do it all through the course. Maybe at the end, if it is if the students are having any issues with the syncing of some of the grades, and you can do it at the end with full grades as well. So a quick few reminders: always check your assignments for their published status, because if they're not published here under the assignments, they are not going to show under the modules. Module is just a link, but it does not, if you click publish here, it is not going to be published unless it is published on the assignment page. If you are looking to add any coursework from Cengage, you click on Cengage and you make sure you have the right book, and you select the right book for the week that you're in, for the coursework that you're working on, and then you have a choice of all these different parts of the book that is incorporated into your course. You can select any one of them. This is just a reading part. This is a gradable part that shows your add to course, add to gradebook. And once you add that, you can confirm here and it will be taken to your modules. Once you see it in the modules, it will not be in the right place. It could either be on the top, it could either be on the very bottom. You have to scroll up and down, or maybe use these three buttons here to move it to the right place. It will tell you where to move up and down, whichever week you're working on. You can use that. Another tip, you will only see the grade book for the book that you are working from. Let's say this is HIPAA book. So these are all the assignments that you have from this course. So you're not going to see the whole grade book in your as given in your Canvas. Canvas is an accumulation of all the books together, but on Cengage you will see them separately.